Hi, I'm Ian Charnas, and in today's video we're going to be solving one of the most important problems to ever plague humans in their entire existence here on this planet or anywhere. And of course I'm talking about the problem that when it's raining outside, you're driving your car, you're playing music, but the windshield wipers are not syncing to the beat of the music. The music's going ooh, 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 and your wipers are going. And today we're gonna solve it once and for all. I'm standing next to my always clean car, which is never ever covered in bugs or bird poop of any kind. Gross. You know, at some point you just buy a new car. Pardon me. How do bugs get on the back of the car? Am I reversing too fast? Are they chasing me and then I come to a stoplight? Whoa. I have never seen a bigger bird turd than what I'm looking at right now. How big can this bird be? What is he eating? Well, hi, Ian. I'm a seagull. I eat small fish, terrestrial arthropods, marine and freshwater invertebrates, small fruit and nuts, and your sandwich, if I can get away with it. Sorry about that. Look, it's not always about you. I'm not aiming for your car, dude. I'm just trying to live the best version of me that I know how to live. I eat, I digest my food, I soar, and you know, stuff happens. Sometimes it happens on your car. C'est la vie. Well, that was weird. Okay, first thing we gotta do is figure out, can the windshield wipers keep up with the music? The little control doohickey has two speeds. There's low and high. So I can turn it on low. That's pretty slow. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on high. We need this thing to be going faster, I'm sure. Okay, that might not be fast enough. So, we need a power supply circuit that's gonna be able to control the speed of that wiper motor. And I've got this other project here, this secret project a friend and I have been working on. The power supply circuits here, with a couple modifications, would be perfect for controlling the speed of the wiper motor. At least until the wiper motor catches fire, because I'm putting way more current into it than it was ever designed for. Let's try it. Hi, I'm Ian Charnas, unrequested non-celebrity endorser of Oplates.com, the Ohio BMV's official online renewal site. Did you know the Ohio BMV has an online simulator for personalized license plates? Yeah, really. Just visit Oplates.com, click Specialized Plates, and select the type of vehicle you have. Find a plate you like and order it right there. How does that make you feel? Get one to celebrate your pet. Or send a plate to that celebrity you'd like to collaborate with.
Simone Yacht, Gertz, whatever.
I'm William Osmond. Hey everybody, Adam here.
Wishful thinking? You bet it is. While we're at it, why not wish for that sponsor you'd like to have? Or use it as a fun and much more difficult way to text your loved ones. See how much time you can spend at Oplates.com. And please, put your favorite license plates in the comments section below. We literally just did that. It's solder time. Some of the parts that go on this board are pretty small and they can be hard to solder, but I've got a guy who's okay at it. I mean, he's okay. He's not the greatest. Here you go, whatever your name is. So is this like our deal? You do all the talking and I do all the working? I do my job, you do your job. I mean, you're just me in a different outfit. You know that, right? Like, the viewers aren't stupid. Just solder the boards. Sure, I'll do the soldering. Can you put on some royalty-free music and make time go really fast? All right, let's crank this thing up. Go into 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 volts output. Let's go higher. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's a lot of smoke. I feel like I should be doing something. Yep, I'm just gonna turn this off. There we go. So all that smoke just came out of the resistor, and that's kind of a good thing. That means that these power supplies can output more power than that resistor can handle. It's time to put a motor where this resistor was. A windshield wiper motor. So I found this wiper motor on eBay, and I think it even has the linkage attached to it. So this is what we're going to use for testing. Turn on some power and crank up the voltage. Here we go. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. This thing's turning nice. We might be at about 6 volts. All right, let's just see how fast this thing can really go. Oh yeah. All right, we can control the speed of the wiper motor. The next step is to synchronize this to some music. I found a composer I like a lot called Claus Appel. You can visit Claus on filmmusic.io, and we're gonna be listening to This Is Electro. Now my job is to turn on the power supply and see if I can get this to sync up. Here we go. So we know that we can use a knob and get the wiper motor synchronized to the music. The next step is to replace this knob with something that automatically syncs the wiper motors to the rhythm of the music. And that's going to involve some coding. I tried doing this next part on an Arduino, but it just wasn't powerful enough. So we're switching to a Raspberry Pi. This is a tiny computer that's going to be the brains of our operation. It's going to listen to the music, detect the rhythm, and synchronize the wipers. So all I've got to do is wire this up and program this with an algorithm called a phase lock loop to synchronize the input of the music to the output of the wiper motor. But I'm feeling like I'm fading just a little bit, and I might go get some food. So I was kind of wondering if you could take over for a little bit? Yeah? Yeah, of course. Would you pick me up an ice cream? Game on. That's not it. Take it easy. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna put this in the video. Hi, we're in my trunk, and I found a secret chamber. What goes in the secret chamber, you may ask? Is it a dinosaur mating call? Is it a 10-pound boat anchor? Is it an autographed picture of Mark Summers, host of Family Double Dare? To Ian, good luck, Mark Summers. Aw, thanks, Mark. No, it's actually for your custom home-built electronics. And how did this get here? Hi, James.
Hey, Ian. How are you?
Pretty good. Thanks for coming out.
Hey, Ian.
Hey, Tu. Thanks for coming out to hang out with me and see my new invention.
Yeah, of course.
Matt, I've got a new invention I want to show you.
Well, is it anything that you've been talking about in the past, I don't know, month or so?
Nope, it's windshield wipers that go to the beat of the music, whatever music you're listening to. Have I been talking about this?
You did talk about it a couple of times.
A couple times?
A couple times.
You're talking nonstop.
Seriously? And it works?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, I won't. Sorry.
90%.
I didn't mean to ask that question first.
I mean, does anything really work? How do you define
No,
work?
technology
Yeah.
is terrible, and we pay a lot of money for it to not work all the time. So as long as 90% sounds pretty good.
Absolutely.
All right, go ahead. Turn on this system.
Okay.
And an impossibly bright LED is going to come on.
Okay.
Right now, there's a computer in the trunk that's booting up.
Right. How do you know when it's ready?
You don't.
You just
There's
gotta
no
guess.
indication. Should we try the song?
Yeah.
All right, whenever you're ready, hit play,
All right.
and well see if it works.
All right. Here we go. 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Takes a second to start. All right. So it's gonna start off slow, and then it's gonna catch up to the beat. Oh, it's getting there. Now it's got it. It's got the phase now. Wait for it. There it goes. That's it.
This is the most satisfying thing I've ever seen.
Oh yeah.
Every car should have this.
Every car should have this.
And what happens when there's no audio input? It just keeps going?
It should stop after a while.
There it goes.
Yeah. At a real convenient place. This is it.
Oh wow, clicking.
I love Happy Farm Life. The whole genre of like royalty-free music.
I know. I mean, I can see all kinds of applications for this song. Like if you just need some background music
Yeah.
or
Just like you're walking down the street
yeah, someone walking down the street or
and like smiling a little bit more than you should for the
someone
situation.
waving, someone like washing their dog.
Yeah.
I don't know.
There's like a old man crossing the street and he doesn't see a car coming.
Yeah, yeah.
And a young girl runs up. He's like, "Whoa,
Right.
don't! There's a car."
Yeah, and then the sound effect of the bus, and then
Yeah.
the song cuts out.
That's great. Where should I take this? What's the next step?
I guess call some. I would call car manufacturers, see who you can get a lunch with. Bring them right here.
Yeah. Yeah, Elon.
Oh yeah, get Tesla. They got all that Tesla
No,
money.
don't put me on hold. Don't you put me
He always puts you on hold.
every time. And he doesn't come back to the line.
I know, he never does. He doesn't remember. He doesn't remember the little guys.
He puts me on. I mean, at least he has the good hold music. Him singing the hamster dance. Would
What
you
a
remember that one?
fun piece of internet lore. Oh yeah. Elon Musk, whenever no one's looking at him, that's what he's doing.
I almost feel like the wipers need arms or something. You know what I mean?
Hey, do you want to hear the test tracks I was testing with?
Yep.
It's catching up.
Yeah, it is.
It's got it.
Klaus has done it again.
Should I pretend to drive?
Yeah.
Turning. I don't know why all cars don't have this.
You don't even care that it's raining.
Yeah. Or if it's not raining, I just turn the wipers on. And
Yeah. Just dry wipe.
Yeah, just dry wipe. You can maybe sync other stuff like the blinkers.
Blinkers. For like high occupancy lanes, you can just have like a skeleton in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Who's just nodding.
That's just nodding, yeah. So you can carpool illegally.
For everyone who made it this far, I have a special surprise. I'm going to give you a chance to own the intellectual property on dancing windshield wipers. I am holding in my hand a provisional patent application I filed with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, and I will be transferring ownership to the winner of this eBay auction. Yep, this idea is for sale and the bidding starts at $1. The buy it now price is $25,000. Proceeds go to charities supporting young makers. Maybe you want to hang this on your wall and have a cool story to tell your friends, or maybe you're the CEO of an international automotive company that aims in delighting its customers and you want to actually put this in your cars and it would be so awesome. Elon, come on, $25,000 is an impulse buy. Just get it. Hey guys, what you doing later? You gonna go to the pier? Flock of seagulls playing. Do you guys serve rotten banana peels by chance? Half-eaten peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? Do you have half-empty cans of anything? Ice cream? Okay. A huge thank you to everyone who helped in this project. I'll put the credits in the description below. If you have an idea for a new invention you'd like to see me build, please put it in the comments. Also, if I get above 1,000 subscribers, I'll make a new invention and post a build video here. Until then, it's going to remain blank. I hope it's not blank by the time you're looking at this. But you can help by clicking subscribe, clicking the like button, and by sharing this video with your friends. Also, click the bell icon so YouTube will actually notify you when I post a new video. I'll see you next time.